Avalanches can be life-threatening. Here are the best tips to avoid them. Check avalanche danger levels before your trip. Current warnings can be found in avalanche reports. Avoid steep slopes over 30 degrees, especially after heavy snowfall or sudden temperature increases. Always carry the right equipment. An avalanche transceiver, probe, and shovel are essential. Never go alone. Traveling in a group is safer, and you can help each other in an emergency. Watch for warning signs like fresh cracks in the snow or loud noises. These can be precursors to an avalanche. And the most important tip, plan your route carefully and stick to safe paths. Safety first. Do you have any additional tips? Share them in the comments.